What reply to your lordship? Give it to my friend. Of course, Mr. Sanjanwala can start, but I would respectfully suggest what is under challenge is an order under section 260, subsection 2.
Let him at least brief.
Only one paragraph,
Anything?
if I can show to your lordship.
What is under challenge? 260 into bracket 2 order. Page number? Just only a tenure of the
It is
order.
at page number 55. 55.
May I give a broad overview?
Understood. No, just let me
Yes.
see that what
Page
is the order.
55.
Page 55.
आती नीचे सही करना नायब एस्टेट अधिकारी नगर सोइंसो खातू कॉर्पोरेशन वगैरह कलम 260 मुजब कारण दर्शक नोटिस नंबर सोइंसो रोज આપવામાં આવે તે નોટિસનો તમોએ 28 ઓક્ટોબર 2025 ના રોજ ખુલાસો કરેલો.
So 260 into bracket 1 followed by this order.
Followed by
There was you responded to it.
I have not responded on merits. Therefore, I wanted to give a brief background. Possibly, the facts are that there are 4 orders of allotment of land in our favor, way back starting from 1980 onwards, going right up to 1997. On that allotted land, there are constructions which have been put up, which were also put up way back. Some of the constructions are in pursuance of a development permission which was granted. Some constructions, according to us, are regularized when further lands were granted. Now, the state and the corporation, they want this land.
Well, according to me,
Just a
nothing
minute.
will survive. Therefore, I am submitting.
Okay.
Please have my affidavit.
Okay.
We may not be
So this
required
is the order under challenge. In a nutshell,
The
260.
challenge, because yes,
we may not be required to
Let my-
require the court to invest time.
Understood.
That is it.
So this is the order under challenge. We say that you have constructed without authority of law. So it is unauthorized construction. That is the crux of the matter.
that is a problem.
So that is under
In that
challenge. Ah.
Please have paragraph 5 of core of my affidavit. Only 2 paragraphs be read.
This
Yes, it's today's affidavit. Well, parallelly, there are proceedings that are pending before the appellate authority under the regularization.
Acha, so
The GRUDA application-
you preferred application under GRUDA,
They were
seeking regularization of unauthorized construction. Since 262 notice order was passed.
No,
So that has resulted
There.
prior to.
Fair.
Prior to.
Now, therefore, paragraph 4. My lords, the appellate authority has issued a notice in the appeal on 4/11.
Please read that paragraph.
It is learned that the said appellate authority under GRUDA has issued a communication in the said appeal filed by the petitioner on 4/11, scheduling the first hearing of the appeal on 11/11. So Tuesday. And my lords, in that context, would your lordships please like to skip the remaining paragraphs and come directly to para 9. My lords, therefore, I am respectfully suggesting, in view of what I have stated at paragraph 9 of the affidavit,
In the alternative and
Yes.
without prejudice to the aforesaid.
it is respectfully submitted that the corporation would implement the order dated so and so, subject to outcome of the appeal.
So nothing survives now.
So they will implement it now, subject to the outcome of the appeal.
Please, subject to outcome means after the appeal
After
is
appeal.
decided.
Okay, fine. But
That is
that
right.
needs to be clarified. Subject to.
That is already stated. It is.
Sir,
Even if it is not clarified, that is what it means. What
no, because I understand. As far as on today, nothing, but I need to point out something still.
Why? I'll not go into the. I'll not treat. See,
I'm mindful of that.
and secondly, when the appeal is pending, is it appropriate, Mr. Sanjanwala?
My lords, there is a
Go
second
into
part
the
to that
merits
paragraph.
of the
Please have the second
I'm
part
not
of
even
the.
suggesting.
Please have the second part of
My
that
friend
paragraph.
would permit me to speak. I am not getting into the merits.
The second part of the paragraph.
Which part of the paragraph?
Para 9, the subsequent portion.
And the petitioner may be directed to cooperate, expedite
That is
disposal.
our request. My lords,
Understood. So party will be. That is always
my
there.
respectful submission.
What you want to submit?
So, because in context of that last part,
Appeal pending.
just 2 minutes. I'll not take more time. I'm
Duty bound to hear
I'm
you.
not
it
getting
and,
into the merits, and I'm not going to unnecessarily take up court's time. The reason why I'm about saying this is, as I said, there were 4 orders of allotment. All those orders have been terminated. Land has now vested in the government. Those orders are passed under section 79A. One order is passed under section 61 of the Bombay Land Revenue Code. We went to the
So that it would be the subject matter of challenge before other court.
So I filed revisions before the tribunal. Tribunal has upheld the orders. Now the matter is before this honorable court, fixed for hearing on 11th. So that is one part of it. I applied under Gruda. My Gruda application has been rejected essentially on the ground that the land has now vested in government because of those orders of termination. So I have challenged that in the appeal. Now, because the appeal raises two basic issues. One is that this order, which is impugned, 260 subsection 2 order, has been passed without here, but that can't be the subject matter of the appeal. So the appeal we have filed, but the outcome of the appeal till the matter is decided by this honorable court. If those orders go, then the reason goes for not regularizing my construction. If those orders go, reasons go, therefore the construction will have to be regularized. If the orders are confirmed, then subject to my further rights. So I believe that hearing of this appeal should await the outcome of the petitions. This is a request which we will make before the appellate authority. If it is not accepted, then I'll trouble the honorable. But I'm
So-
making it clear
So
that it may.
let it be.
My friend says that you must cooperate. We will cooperate, but we'll raise this issue.
Cooperate to the extent that you can very well say that today at
Right.
least one opportunity, and here you have to go on with whatever the proceedings.
So
which
in
are
fact,
pending.
it was in December, we got it advanced, now it is on 11th, and we will of course go on with the matter.
Special civil application number 5066 of 2025. Today I am disposing of this petition in view of the affidavit filed by the concerned authority.
But
Nothing
this will
survives
have to
now.
be- The order will have to be some stage set aside.
No.
The order remains.
But that
So-
is that the very, the
So-
260 new order.
So this 260 subsection 2 order has been challenged on multiple grounds. One of the ground is that my Gruda appeal is
But
pending. That is
when
what
the affidavit, on the affidavit, the statement is made that till the disposal of the
They
appeal.
are saying we are not going to implement the order.
Implement
The
order.
order will not go. The order will remain.
So what I am fighting to uphold my order.
Right. So that validity of that order will still have to be examined. Even if my Gruda appeal is rejected, there are other grounds on which this order will have to go. That is my contention. So to that extent, the matter will have to be kept pending. If the Gruda appeal is decided in my favor, then everything ends. If it is decided against me, still other grounds which are available to me will remain. If decided
Let's look at
against
your
me,
prayer.
yes.
What are you asking for?
I am asking for a writ of certiorari, quashing and setting aside this impugned order at page 55. So this order will have to go some stage. If not on this ground today, because my friend is very fairly saying that till Gruda appeal is there, they can't proceed with this. They can't implement this. That is the law.
But
So they are very
pendency of-
fairly considering.
No, I was looking at this wise, Mr. Sanjanwala, that pendency of these proceedings that would affect the
Right.
pending proceedings which
But
are
that can be
pending with
clarified.
stuff.
That can be clarified. That can
But
be
then
clarified. How
let
can
this petition be disposed of, and you will be at liberty to, then what is the reason that fresh orders you are required to pass under
Both are orders under
May I-
Gruda, because this order will
These
remain.
are
May I make a respectful submission?
How can this be finished
Today,
by
any pendency today of
Huh.
this petition will have a direct impact
That
everywhere
can be
else.
clarified always.
Therefore, my respectful suggestion is, let the Gruda appeal be decided. If the Gruda appeal is decided in favor of my friend, then automatically everything
This
comes
will
to
go.
a standstill.
Huh.
If the Gruda appeal is decided in my favor, then a cause of action is available for my friend to agitate this at that stage. And today,
So
lordship,
therefore it is required to be kept pending.
lordships may not be pending is my suggestion.
Then
Multiply.
In view of paragraph 9.
Understood. Today what he says is that 262 order is under challenge. That order is.
Then in that case, I'll have to file a detailed reply.
Huh.
Lordships may not issue any notice in the matter. My affidavit, lordship may
It is
take on
already
record.
there.
They
So
will
it will
not
be
pass any
better.
further.
Yes, under that.
My
will be
affidavit
better.
serves the purpose.
That-
So we take it that they will not implement, they can't in law, and my friend will file a detailed.
Whether I can't in law is secondary.
No, that
I
is,
will not.
I'm not on that. Today, I think a responsible officer has filed an
I have no
affidavit stating
difficulty.
that, so.
My friend is there, so I have no difficulty.
So better, I'll be recording that you will be
I
filing
can't-
detailed
I
affidavit.
can't agree to disposal of the petition. That
I'll
is
file
only
a detailed
limited.
affidavit.
Very well, very well.
But my lords may not record anything else, since now lordships have paragraph 9 of the act.
Reply is required to be taken, do I take this reply and record?
Please
So
don't
better.
take- My request
Special-
is, please don't issue any notice at this stage.
No, I'll not issue.
I will file a reply.
Special civil application number 15066 of 2025. Learned government leader, Mr. G.H. Wick at the outset submitted that in view of the pursuant to filing of this petition, a preliminary affidavit in reply dated 7th November 2025 is filed. Full stop. The same is taken on record. Learned GP further requested to file detailed affidavit on the grounds stated in the petition. Considering his request, matter is adjourned to subdate.
Well, after 3 or 4 weeks, if it appeals.
Whatever, what date you select, whenever it is convenient to you.
After 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Please.